Hello everybody. I'm just overjoyed to be sitting here and talking to you and introducing to you two wonderful, wonderful women, two wonderful doctors who are joining the staff at Eve's Garden, who are going to be our sex counselors and sex advisors.
Hello, I'm Dr. Barbara Bartlik. I'm a psychiatrist and a sex therapist in New York City. I specialize in treating women, men, and couples with sexual and relationship problems. I also treat patients with anxiety and depressive disorders. I went to medical school at the Albert Einstein College of Medicine in the Bronx, New York, and did my training in psychiatry at NYU Medical Center in Manhattan. I met Dell in the early 90s because she was well known in the women's sexuality community as a pioneer. In behavioral sex therapy, we give the patients homework assignments. So they come in to the office, talk to us about their problem, and then we give them an assignment to go home with. Well, I frequently give them the assignment to go to Eve's Garden. I either send the woman alone or I send her with her partner to Eve's Garden and let them shop and look around and see what would be fun for them to bring into the bedroom. And here they see women, pictures of women engaging in sex in a very positive manner. So it provides positive role modeling where these women can now imagine themselves behaving in that way. A lot of these women are shy, maybe sexually reserved, maybe they haven't had good role models sexually, and Eve's Garden provides them with that. So it changes their psychology and makes them much happier people sexually as a result. I also take a nutritional approach to psychiatry, frequently measuring vitamin and mineral levels in my patients' blood and giving supplements where indicated. And I try to minimize the use of psychiatric medications where I can because they have well-known sexual side effects which interfere with sexual functioning. I would like to say something about the younger generation because I treat a lot of young women with sexual problems, and what I'm finding is that so many of them are started on birth control pills when they're just heading off to college, and as a result they may not mature fully sexually. What I mean is they may not learn how to have an orgasm because their libido is diminished from the birth control pill, so they maybe never learn to have an orgasm. Also, they tend to not use condoms because they're on the birth control pill, and sometimes there's a sense of safety with that, and I think they're more susceptible to getting certain sexually transmitted infections because of that. So I think young people who are going to have sex with different people and it's not a committed long-term relationship, I think they should use a condom, and in many cases I take them off the birth control pill and recommend the condom.
Barbara, you have written or edited a book on relationships that is very good. Do you want to tell our people about that?
Thank you, Dell. The book is called Extraordinary Togetherness, A Woman's Guide to Love, Sex, and Intimacy, and I'm the medical advisor for that book. And it goes through all of the common sexual disorders, tells you about them, how to treat them, kind of like the diagnosis in a nutshell. It's very helpful for clinicians as well as for patients. A lot of practical advice, so it's very well done. I believe that women can take charge of their sexuality by taking a positive, assertive approach and by making themselves get more into it. They can respond and rise to the occasion, and they are happier, and their partners are certainly more happy too.
I really want to thank you both. The whole effort and concern of Eve's Garden is to bring women happier and healthier and as we used to say in our first catalog, celebrate the joy of sexuality, celebrate the joy of their own sexuality. Okay, and both these doctors will be out there with us together, helping you all. Okay, thank you. Thank you.